Senores Pharmaceuticals, and thank you, Bhavesh, for the introduction. Senores, as Bhavesh described, it's a formulation-focused company. We have 4 manufacturing plants, 1 plant in the US and 3 plants in India, in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. US side takes care of the US business, as well as we have business in Canada, part of EU, Saudi Arabia, UAE, so on and so forth. Indian manufacturing formulation side. Indian manufacturing side takes care of emerging market. From India side, we export to close to over 30 plus markets globally, largely in African markets, Middle East market, Far East market, CIS market, and Latin American markets. We have 4 manufacturing dosage forms in Ahmedabad site. One is oral solid injectable, liquid ORS. 2 API manufacturing sites we have in India, largely for backward integration of our own product. So if you look at it, we are an end-to-end solution provider to a lot of large pharmaceutical conglomerates that we work with. Coming to US again, so US we have 3 business verticals. One, we have our own niche products like Bhavesh mentioned, under-penetrated niche products that have multiple different tier distribution, products that will go into pain management clinics, infertility clinics, CNS clinic, muscle relaxant clinics, and so on and so forth. So products that have specialty distribution comes in a complex specialty product. We have a large part of portfolio of such products. So those are our own research. We develop our own. We present the idea to a partner. Partner looks at it, want to partner up with us on exclusive basis for those opportunities, and that partnership starts. So as you can see here, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's, Jubilant, Cadista, Cipla, Prasco, Alkin, they're all our partners in the US for those specialty category, niche category of products. Our second business vertical in the US is we have a CDMO, CMO vertical wherein we provide end-to-end solution to, again, a large pharmaceutical companies. Now, how we are different or how we are uniquely positioned. So anything that will go into government business or anything that is a controlled substance business, right? We know controlled substance in India is known as narcotic products. Anything that go into such category of products, US manufacturing plays a big role. Largely because for government supplies, you get a preference if the products are manufactured in the US. For controlled substance also, the importation of controlled substance in the US is prohibited. So as controlled substance are not allowed to be imported into India as well. So that's where we become a partner to large pharmaceutical companies who want to access the business in government business as well as controlled substance. So we are very strategically aligned. We don't compete with any of those large conglomerates that exist. Anything that these companies want to do in a government space or a control substance space, or they want to in-license products to fill their portfolio, we become the strategic partners. So large part of our product portfolio comes from these companies that you will see on the screen. About 61% come from our regulated market, the revenue-wise, and about 33% comes from our emerging market. As you can see, we have currently about 21 commercial products, 4 CGT designations. So CGTs are basically, we get 180 days exclusivity when the product is launched. Our portfolio is generic products for our own product, not about CDMO and CMO. We look at products that are non-para for no litigation, no unpredictability of the business. We do not want to get into a risk side of the business. We are very cognizant of the amount of R&D or the money that we spend on the business, and we want to make sure that whatever money is spent on a particular opportunity on the product, we have a visibility of sales. So unpredictability, litigation kind of products, we tend to avoid as far as US market is concerned. So again, strength of the company, we have a large product portfolio of specialty, complex opportunity, long-term marketing arrangement. So with each partner, large conglomerate, we have about 5 to 7 years of exclusive marketing arrangement, which in turn comes with the licensing fees, transfer pricing, and profit share. Again, a very big presence on the emerging market portfolio. We have about 400 plus odd products that are under approval, under registration, which will be commercialized in next 2 to 3 years. Currently, we have about 182 commercial products on the emerging market side. On emerging market, the way we look at the business is a little different. As I said, US is largely non-para for non-litigative product. On emerging markets, the products that are still patented in the US and EU, but do not have patent in other small emerging markets, we tend to look at those product portfolio and be first to market, first to file, and first to launch in those emerging markets that we are present. So we become a very strategic partner to companies, either they are based locally in those markets that we operate in, or Indian companies who have their front-end presence in these are the markets that they operate in.